Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use your Amazon employee discount. First of all, log into your Amazon account. Make sure you are signed in with the same email linked to your employee profile. Next, click on your account settings and look for the section labeled your employee benefits or employee discount. If you don't see it, check with your HR team to ensure your discount is activated. Once you have confirmed your discount is active, start shopping. Add items to your cart just like normal. Keep in mind that the discount only applies to eligible items sold and shipped by Amazon. When you are ready to check out, proceed to the payment page. Your employee discount will automatically apply to your order. You will see the discounted price before completing your purchase. And that's it. Enjoy saving with your Amazon employee perks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.